Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that positive next to tan s with y. That is for integrating factor. And we know that tan s, that is about sin s over cosine s. So the integration of this one, we have negative ln of cosine s, and then I will put negative sign go inside about natural log in here, and we have cosine s to the power of negative number 1, and we have 1 over cosine s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have y over cosine s. This one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.